Congratulations, you have just purchased Structure and Style for Students Year 1 Level A Premier Package. My name is Julie Walker, and I'm going to help you unbox your package. The first thing you'll notice in your box is what we call the What's in the Box flyer. This contains a lot of the same instruction that I'm about to give you right now. The next thing that you'll see in your box is the Forever Streaming Activation Card. Don't lose this. This is what you'll need to register your product and activate your video so that your students can watch the course. The next thing that's in your package is the student binder that has both the teacher's manual and the student packet included. The teacher's manual, spiral bound, this will help you guide your student through their lessons. And the student packet that we're going to open right now so that I can show you how to put together the student materials. Slip this out of the plastic wrap, open your student notebook, and drop this in the very back. Then, as it says on page 5 in both the student materials and in the teacher's manual, grab the first 5 or 6, actually it's 8 pages, and put those on the front of your notebook. And that's it. Your students are now all set up, ready to go to start learning. Instructions are on the video telling them when to pull out a fresh sheet of paper, when to reach into their packet for the next page that they'll need, and how to organize their binder. What else is in this box? Well, another Forever Streaming card that you will need to activate and register your Teaching, Writing, Structure and Style teacher training course. This course will help you, parents and teachers, learn our materials well enough to be able to teach it to your students. In addition to the activation card, you will also find your premium membership card. This card gives you access to so many great tools and resources that we believe you'll want to renew year after year. Premium membership is a 1-year membership. One of the things that's included with your membership is Andrew Pudewa's book, However Imperfectly. And then, of course, you'll find your Teaching, Writing, Structure and Style teacher training syllabus. Fix-It Grammar, IEW's engaging, effective, and easy-to-use grammar program. A Word Right Now, lists and lists of many words that your students will find easy to employ in their writing. And finally, Portable Walls for Structure and Style students. Structure and Style for Students, Year 1, Level A Premier Package. We believe that both you and your students will have a great time learning how to write, and we guarantee it.